Hello students, welcome back to Priyanka's tutoring classes. So today we'll continue with the module 4, and in module 4 today we are going to solve the problem of Newton's divided difference. So the question goes like this: use Newton's divided difference formula to find f of 4 given the data. So this data will be given to you. Through this you have to find f of 4. So first we'll write down this data. First we'll write x, f of x, then we'll write first divided difference, then second divided difference, and third divided difference. I'll tell you how to find this. X we know 0, 2, 3 and 6, and we know f of x also -4, 2, 14, 158. So now what you have to do is you have to put one calculation in your calculator, that is y minus x divided by b minus a. So you have to put this into your calculator, and now I tell you what is your y, what is your x, what is your b and what is your a. So first you are going to consider this 4 terms. Okay, so what is your y? Your y is 2 minus what is your x? -4 divided by your b is 2 minus 0. So you get the value as 3. Write this in between of this both. Now when you're finished with this 4 terms, you're going to consider this 4 terms. Now what is your y? Your y is 14 minus your x is 2 divided by your b is 3 and your a is 2. So here we get a value as 12. So it should be between this both. Okay. Now when you're done with this 4 terms, you're going to consider this 4 terms. So what is your y? It is 158 minus your x is 14 divided by it is 6 minus 3. So your value is 48. So I hope how we got this answer is clear. Now next what you have to do, in the same way you have to find second. Now for second what you have to do, you have to consider this 2 terms, that is 12 minus 3, and here in this 3 terms, now see these 2 terms are related to this 3 terms, right? Hide the middle one. So what we get? 3 minus 0. So the answer for this is 3. You have to write it in between of this 2. Now next you have to consider this 2 terms, that is 48 minus 12 divided by these 2 terms are connected to this 3 terms. So you have to hide the middle one, then you get 2 and 6, that is 6 minus 2. So you get the answer 9. Okay, so this is how we find the second DD. So first what you are doing, you are considering this both is related with this 3 terms, hide the middle one. Then this both is related to this 3 terms, hide the middle one. Now these 2 terms are related to all the 4 terms here. So what you are going to do, you are going to hide the 2 middle parts. Then you are going to consider only 6 and 0. That is 9 minus 3 divided by 6 minus 0. 6 minus 0. So you get the value as 1. I hope how to find this table is clear. You can put this value in your expression in your calculator. So it's easy that you just put the y value, x value, b value and a value. If you put this expression in the calculator, it makes your work much easy. But how you have to take these values, that I hope it is clear. And now we will go to the next part. So this is your Newton's divided difference formula. I'll once explain you the formula. See, first we have taken f of x naught, then x minus x naught, then with x naught we have to add x1, then x minus x naught, then x minus x1, then with x naught x1 we are going to add x2, plus now x minus x naught, x minus x1, and again we are going to add x minus x2, and then in the last we have x naught x1 x2 x3. Okay, so together. Now here this is your f of x naught. So this is your f of x naught comma x1. This is your f of x naught comma x1 comma x2. This is your f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 comma x3. Okay, so f of x naught is this, f of x naught x1 is this, f of x0, x1, x2 is this, and f of x0, x1, x2, x3 is this. Now if you are done with this part, this is very easy. Here you have to just substitute, okay. So what is f of x0? See, first we will write down f of x value they have given us 4. So they have given us 4, I will write it down here. F of x0 is minus 4 plus x is 4 minus your x0 is 0. F of x0, x1 is 3 plus 4 minus 0 and 4 minus x1 is 2. F of x0, x1, x2 is 3 plus 4 minus 0, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2 and 4 minus 3, and your f of x0, x1, x2, x3 is 1. So what I have done, I have just substituted C1, which value I have substituted where? This is your x0, x1, x2, and this is how we have substituted all the values. And when I put all the values in the calculator, I get my answer as 40. Okay, so when I put all the values in the calculator, I get my value as 40. So your f of 4 is 40. This is very easy problem. So first you have to solve this table, and however you will be getting this formula in your handbook. Write down this formula, substitute the values, and then you will get your answer. I hope each and every step is clear. If you have any doubt, put them into the comment section. I'll make sure I'll reply to it. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel and share it to all your friends. Thank you.